Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect the Apple Watch Ultra. First, make sure your iPhone is running the most recent iOS software. Next, charge your Apple Watch Ultra to at least 50% to avoid interruptions during the setup. Finally, keep both devices very close together, ideally within a few inches, as they will communicate via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for a smooth pairing experience. To begin, power on your Apple Watch Ultra by pressing and holding the side button until you see the familiar Apple logo. Once it boots up, unlock your iPhone and launch the dedicated Apple Watch application. Your iPhone should then display a prompt to pair new watch. Tap this option to start the pairing process, which uses a secure, encrypted connection. Now, you'll see a unique animated pattern on your Apple Watch Ultra's display. Hold your iPhone so its camera is directly over this animation. Your iPhone will automatically detect and pair with the watch. If the automatic pairing doesn't work, or if you prefer, simply tap Pair Manually on your iPhone and follow the straightforward numerical code prompts to complete the connection. With the devices paired, your iPhone will guide you through the final setup steps. You'll select which wrist you wear the watch on, create a secure passcode, and decide on options like cellular service if your model supports it. Once complete, dive into the Apple Watch app on your iPhone to personalize your watch faces, manage notifications, and arrange your app layout exactly how you like it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.